Hello everyone, welcome back to Live English channel. My name is Derek, and today I would like to introduce Nomad Leather to all of you. Nomad Leather is specialized in leather handicraft products, and they have a studio in District 4. As I promised, in this video clips, I will instruct you how to make a basic leather handicraft product, and it is called a water bottle holder. Anyway, I would like to make it customized for myself, and I would like you to wait and see. In order to make the bottle holder, so we have to use different special tools. The first one is patterns constructions, hole punch, buckles, and loops, wind dividers, breaking wheels, breaking irons, sandpaper, scissor, pressure roller, edge slicker, utility knife, rotary cutter, hammer, and leather finish. Now that I have everything I need, I will start transferring the patterns onto leather. Then I will cut down my leather and I will end up with pieces for the main body of the bottle holder and straps. Next, use the sandpaper to smooth raw edges of leather, then apply leather finish on the edges to embellish them and give them a specific color and shine. After that, glue all the parts together. Use the pressure roller and roll it back and forth on the adhesive surface and make the bonding area tighter. The breaking irons and hammer can be used to create a stitching line on the leather and stitch all the parts together. Remember not to pull your stitches too tight. As for the straps, punch the holes and place the rivets through the holes. Now I'm using the electric marking machines to create my signature. Finally, I've done. Now I will put all of them together to have the water bottle holder. Now let's see. Okay, now I've got my own bottle holder, and also I have got my own signature. You can see that is the letter D. Okay, this is my name, Derek. Yeah, so everybody, so I hope that you guys will like this video, and if you want to have the bottle holder like me, okay, so come to Nomad Leather. Thank you everybody, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you, goodbye.